Softwash guys, Thursday morning. Well, it's about 11 o'clock. Man, day goes by fast. So we're out here on the water tower project, and we've treated about the bottom third. We're working our way up. Treated this with about 4 to 5% Softwash treatment, and we let it set a few minutes. Then we're coming back with a ball valve, rinsing it off. We'll let you guys see the progress here. Basically what we're going to do on this job. Then we'll come back, and it's really thick, so we're going to treat it, let it dwell 15-20 minutes, rinse it off, get the biggest of it off with the ball valve, and then we'll come back and soft wash that again, rinse one more time, and it'll look like brand new. We've done some sections down there and they look like completely brand new. So work our way to the top, get you some more videos as we make progress, but it's not too bad of a job. Check in with you guys either this afternoon or tomorrow.